So today I want to show you one of the things that I use in my house that actually makes cleaning fun. Yes, it makes cleaning fun because I'm the type of person I like to see immediate results. We own some rentals and I am married. I have a grandbaby and I'm just doing this review on this because I really love it and I want to share it with you. So I'm starting kind of opposite of what most of these videos start or how they start. And I'm just going to be completely myself. This is not going to be a very polished video, so hang in there with me. I'm going to show you how this thing works and why it's so much fun to clean up. All right, so it starts, is basically cordless when you're using it. You plug this in and you plug it into the wall, and let's see if it'll light up. Yeah, okay, so when it's charging, this blue light shows up. Hopefully you can see it. It takes forever for it to charge, but it's well worth the wait time. I can usually mop for about 20 to 30 minutes and run it throughout my house. What's great about this is it mops and it vacuums at the same time. Of course, it's not going to pick up big pieces of trash and things like that. I mean, you have to clean up your floor pretty much, but it is so great. It picks up so much hair, so much dust, and the cool thing is you can see the water get dirty, so you're seeing your progress, and that's what I love about it. Like, you can see it picking up the dirt. So I'm going to do a demo for you too, but first I'm going to show you the pieces because I bought my daughter one right after I got this one, and she had trouble figuring out how it worked and how you put it together. So first I'm going to demo how you put it together so that you won't be confused. So here I've already taken the carriage out, which is this. This collects the dirty water. And how you put this together is it has this little filter. If you don't have the filter in it, it will not work. Trust me, I've already tried it without the filter by accident and it would not work. So you just put it on this little thing, it slides on. And then this part goes on top of it. And so you kind of have to, all right, see, I have it backwards. All right, so now this goes in here and it fits kind of tight. Then you have this little space at the top, and that's where this little filter goes. And you can get replacement, these are replacement filters if you want them. I just rinse mine out every time. And it just sits in there like that. Okay, and you want it to be snug and flush. Then you take it with this part and you put it in and you pop it in there. You've got to make sure it's all the way in. Now, you have a roller and you can get replacement rollers. After you use this, make sure you wash it out. And at the end, I'll try to do the ending portion of this video showing you how I take it apart. But if you don't, and you leave this in your vacuum, it's going to smell to high heaven. It's not going to smell good. It's going to be a bad experience for you. So make sure you take it apart and clean it. So this is how this goes. This just easily, it's like a puzzle. It's got a hole, and you just pop this in here, pop that in there, and then this cover, and I've used this a few times. It's not clean and neat and beautiful. I've been using it. So then you take this cover, it fits on top like that. Okay, and when you want it off, you just squeeze that and pull it back off. But that goes there. And then on the back, this is where you put the water. You just push down on this and pull it out. It comes out like that. And then you pull this down right here, and it comes with a solution. So this is Tineco solution, and I just pour in a capful. So I just do a cap, and then I pour this in here, put the cap back on. This solution has lasted me quite a while so far, and then we're gonna fill this up with water. All right, so now I put the water in it. I just put it under the faucet and ran the water. It does say on here, I just noticed, use Tineco solution only. I don't know if that's a marketing thing or if there's something to that, but I've only used Tineco so far. All right, so then you put it back in here, you just put it in, and you heard it snap right back in place. All right, let me show you the other thing it comes with. It comes with this little tray. In case you can't see it, comes with a little tray. It's dirty. Yours will be clean. And then this little brush to help clean it. I haven't used that yet. And then this holds a cartridge. And then this holds the roller that cleans the floor. Okay, and so also you sit the whole vacuum in here. It's like a little cradle. It doesn't snap in or anything. It's just something for you to sit it in. All right, so now we're ready to go. So I'm gonna unplug it. I keep this plugged in all the time so it stays charged. Now, I'm gonna show you how this works. So you just cock it back like that. I push it down with my foot, and then you're gonna turn it on, and then there's a button up here. You can do, quit barking, quit barking. Sorry, my Yorkies are gonna be in this video. I'm babysitting 2 dogs, and 2 Yorkies are mine. So you can turn it on here, and then it's kind of, see, hold on. It kind of takes off by itself, so it's almost like a self-driving vacuum because it just kind of wants to go. But you can hit this other button up here, and it's like it does it on turbo. So I always do it on turbo. So now I'm going to show you what it does to the floors and why it's so much fun to use. I don't know if you can see this dirty floor, but I'm going to turn this vent on. It's going to make some noise. I just cock it back, hit the button, and then I'm going to do the turbo. And you can literally see it cleaning your floor. All right. So now this floor is clean. I'm just going to go over it one more time. And it pulls up all the hair, all the dirt. You can go back and forth with it pretty easily. And you can also see where it makes the floor just a little bit wet. But I'm going to move my couch and show you how good it gets up the dust and the hair. I don't know what's under here, so you're going to be as surprised as I am. All right, here we go. Levi, be quiet. We're vacuuming. This is what makes it so fun. You get immediate gratification because it cleans it, and you can actually see the difference in your floors after you clean with this. It feels so clean. Feels so clean. Hopefully you can see from the video that it's picking up all this dust and hair and little pieces of dirt. I'm excited because it's going to be clean underneath my couch, which is super nice. All right, so I've been vacuuming a few minutes, and almost all of the water has been used up, and I just want to show you. So this, if it empties out all the water and you still have battery left, it's going to start sounding a little bit different. So you want to check to be sure you still have water in the tank. Otherwise, you're just going to be vacuuming and not mopping. Okay, so I just want to show you the reward for using this. Okay, the first thing I do is I pull down on this and pull it out, and then you're going to see why it's so much fun. Like, look at that. And you can actually see the dirty water as it's going in. So the first thing you do, I take this off and look at the hair. Y'all, I didn't mop it, just to use this for just a few minutes. And then you push down on this and kind of pull it up. Then you take this out, And then you take this guard out right here, and it catches all that hair. And then you empty this out. Look at that. It is gross. That's the reward for using this machine. And it never fails. Also, there might be hair in the bottom right here that you just kind of have to pull out and trash it. So that's how that works. You clean it, clean everything out really well, rinse it off, and then let me show you how to take the roller out. So this, you just grab it. See, the top came off. And then sometimes this roller will be full of stuff like hair. I hope this video helps. I hope you love playing with this and cleaning your floors. I literally clean my floors every day when I bought this. I started cleaning my floors almost every day because it was so much fun. Anyway, hope you all enjoy the video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thanks.